Best carbon monoxide detector. Number 1. Ihoko Carbon Monoxide Detector. It has a digital display for showing readings of carbon monoxide levels between 0 to 999 parts per million for actual concentration by LCD display. Visible LCD with 3 digits. When on the LCD to indicate the device is fault. Yellow LED light alarm continuously sound loudly. When pound on the LCD, it is a low battery indicator to remind you of when to replace the batteries. When apostrophe 0 to 999 parts per million for showing CO concentration. The blue backlit light turns on when CO reading higher than 40 parts per million, which makes it reliable and reliable performance electrochemical CO sensor. It can detect CO gas leak quickly. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Sitterwell Carbon Monoxide Detector. This carbon monoxide detector conforms to ETL standards and has a built-in advanced electrochemical sensor that detects dangerous CO levels more accurately and responds more quickly. In case of danger, the carbon monoxide detector gives an alarm of no less than 85 decibels to 3 meter, providing you the ultimate protection. LCD screen displays real-time CO levels. 3 colored LED indicator flashes red, green, or yellow to indicate an alarm, power, or a fault. The GS828A carbon monoxide alarm can be used for 10 years under the condition of keeping the normal replacement of batteries. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. PutoxSafe Carbon Monoxide Detector. With a high-quality 3-year AA alkaline battery, this CO detector has a product life of up to 10 years, providing you with long-lasting protection. It also features a test/silence button for easy testing and activation. This carbon monoxide detector is equipped with an advanced electrochemical sensor, which can accurately detect high levels of carbon monoxide indoors, ensuring your safety and that of your family. When triggered, it will emit a loud 85 decibel alarm. The CO alarm is small and easy to install. Wall-mounted or freestanding, simply hang it in the appropriate position without complicated installation steps. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. First Alert Carbon Monoxide Detector. Keep your family safe with this easy-to-use plug-in carbon monoxide alarm. It works with any standard outlet and also has a battery backup for continuous monitoring of carbon monoxide levels, even if there's a power failure. Features an advanced electrochemical carbon monoxide sensor that accurately detects carbon monoxide levels, no matter where the detector is placed in the room. Simple to use, with a single test/silence button. A loud 85 decibel alarm sounds when carbon monoxide levels reach dangerous levels. Low battery signal mute. Quiets low battery signal for up to 8 hours. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Kidde Carbon Monoxide Detector. Electrochemical sensor technology detects CO gas. Easy installation, no wiring needed. Detects during a power failure by operating on 2 AA batteries, included, conveniently designed and portable, simple to install on a wall of your home or place on a tabletop. Green LED indicates power to the carbon monoxide detector, while an 85 decibel alarm and a red LED indicates the presence of carbon monoxide. Event memory records the last time carbon monoxide was detected or when the unit was last tested. Test hush button makes it easy to test the carbon monoxide detector or temporarily silence the low battery chirp warning. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.